You envisioned something, you got clear about it, and then you started thinking about all the reasons why you wanted it. You got excited about it. Said, this is what's next for me now. I want this. You may have dreamed about it, thought about it, talked about it. But when you focus on something continuously, something magical happens. You get insights, don't you? You overhear a conversation and you hear something you wouldn't have heard if you didn't have that outcome or goal that you wanted so badly. You decided there's something you wanted so bad that you unleashed all your desire. You became obsessed with it. Not because you hope, because you decide.
It's time to figure out whatever majority is doing, I'm gonna find myself doing the opposite. And the only way to change it is make sure you ain't doing the same thing every day of your life. See, some people listen, but when you really want to change, you must hear.
Don't despise small beginnings.
Because the only reason I'm here, the only reason we're here today is because of our yesterday. Before anything great is really achieved, your comfort zone must be disturbed. You must be able to see yourself out of the situation that you may have been in. If you can't imagine yourself being out of the hood, you'll keep going back to the hood. So what's the goal? What's the vision?
How you saw yourself was a chain. How you saw your situation is a chain. Your normal is a chain. If you break your normal, if you break your normal, all your life you've been fighting with yourself, pulling against yourself, sabotaging yourself. You could have been there a long time ago. You could have been there a long time ago, but your normal became your warden. It tied your hands and your feet, your creativity and your talent. Every chain that limited you. Some people don't know you're limited because you made it good with that crutch.
The question is, how do you respond? We're humans. You're going to make mistakes. The question is, do you bounce back from those mistakes? My ability to correct my mistakes is what's important. So it's not about a degree. It's the ability to correct my mistakes.
So no matter what you say to me, no matter what you say I cannot do, no matter what you say I will not do, I must do. I have to do. I am king. I live as king. I walk as king.
I'm not here to make you feel bad. The one thing about life is that when you feel like, man, I'm missing out,
I will do. I will stand. I will put both of my feet in the ground.
I'm gonna be the best me. I'm gonna do all I can do, even if it risks you hating me. I'm going for it.
The reason why we keep going backwards is because we're afraid of tomorrow. But we can't get to tomorrow because we must deal with today. No matter what you've ever been through, you had to go through it to get right here.
In spite of all the things you have been through, and in spite of all the things you have failed to do, and in spite of all the things that were done to you, and in spite of all the people who tried to cancel you out, you will never, ever, ever be the same again.